big one. Wow. So here's the stuff. Oh, here's all the sauces. Super tiny. This is okay. Where did? Oh, maybe this here, like this. There. Yeah. Now the wheels go in here. Oh my god. Super fast. How can we? Hey. Hi. Okay. And now this is what? Put these together. And then we're going to turn. There. Here's the floor. Here it is. Here's the part for this. Swiping all that. Here is. Oh, this is like a painting. It's called painting the walls. Oh, wait. Oh, stickers. Let's see, where should we put all these stickers? In here, of course. In the wrong place. In the right. This goes over here. Of course. Let's place it first. There. Oh no. Let's put the vacuum first. Alright. There. There's nothing. So then the big stick. Where's the stickers? Oh. This sticker. Where should we put this? And over here. The last one is the biggest. And this is over here. Oh. Right. There. And the last one, where should we put this? Nowhere? In there. Okay, finished. Now, put the vacuum. The vacuum is in here. There. And this, maybe put this over here. This over here. Oh, room. This. Okay, over here. Then now, this. What's this? Just put it. And this is wiper. What's this? Wiper. Just put it there. Like we have a trash can. Like this. Oh my goodness. There. Oh wait. Maybe we have to put it like this. There. Or we could put it over here. No. Over there, it does not fit. There. That's right. Oh, this over here. There. And then now let's put on the trash can. Trash can. There we go. One surprise already open. Oh, there's no need anymore. Let's go to this one. Yeah, this one. Let's open the zipper. Let's maybe it's like this. we can open. Okay, I got it. Now, okay. Now let's open. Wait, open this. Open this. Open this. It's so hard. There we go. So we have a comb brush. Accessories. Oh, here's
Blush on.
Ta-da! We can open it. Oh. Now the hair dryer.
Okay, that's super cool for our hair.
Now, oh, I think it's for putting on your hair.
These are accessories.
What's over here? Oh, it's a clipper. Clipper. Let's clip that. There.
Just get out this.
Hurry. Oh, that's for curling our hair.
Curl your hair.
Let's get out the mirror. Oh, it's so hard, this mirror.
Oh, here's the last one.
There.
And now this time accessory.
Yeah, the accessories.
Of course we have.
And this one.
And we have
And all these are the things. This cut off. So there. So we can pretend. Put it back. Okay, now it's time for the last surprise. Okay. That's not the last surprise. This is the last surprise.
a pinky surprise.
A My Little Pony surprise.
Let's open it. It's super easy.
Ta-da! Now it's going to...
There's a pinky. Let's get out a pinky part.
Oh, let's get out this first.
Is this using battery?
Look!
There's a cadence.
It's cadence. You can sing!
She has jelly wings.
Oh, jelly wings.
And a comb brush actually.
We got a comb brush in her set. Pink comb brush, just like her body.
She is a
And-
pinky.
Okay, so we got all of these accessories. Oh, we could put this on Pinkie Pie.
Or hair dry sheet.
Okay. Oh, I'm so beautiful! Ow. There. Look at all the accessories. They got
Pinky.
Yeah. And
We
everything.
made a clean Pinky's house. Yeah, you're right.
There. These are all the surprise that we opened. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Press the green button.
The red button. Goodbye, guys.